All right, these guys, Katerk, sent me this. It's a freebie, and it's the Rotary tool, handheld Rotary tool, which is a lot lighter than the other ones. See, you can do a lot finer work with it. It's a USB charger. Turn it on. Just hold the button down to turn it on. It's got 5 speeds on it. We're going to try it out now. It comes with a toolkit and that nice pouch. So we're going to try this thing out. I have several of these. I have a corded one, much bigger than this. And I've got the older style cable-driven flex shaft, which is huge compared to this thing. So it looks like you do a lot finer work with it. Comes with sanding drum, some buffing wheels, cut-off wheels, some little bits. I don't know how long the battery lasts on it. We're going to find out here in a little bit. Hook it up. We're going to go try and use it on something. And you got this light on the end here too, so you can actually illuminate what you're working on better. Let's see if I can put edge back on this scraper here. Yeah, it's a nice one-handed operation there. See my other one, the corded one, I'd have to use 2 hands on it, but this one's nice and easy here. So it looks like your possibilities are pretty much endless with this thing. It's so easy to operate as far as handling it. You can definitely get into some tighter situations with it than having to use 2 hands to hold it. That's simple, easy. So like I said, they did send me this for free to try out, and I'm definitely going to be using it. Your little buttons right there to hold the end of it for when you tighten it up. It does have a wrench that goes around here that comes with it. So check them out and see.